Throughout your educational journey, there are times when you need reliable book recommendations tailored to your syllabus or specific subjects. Usually, you would turn to a teacher or an expert for guidance. However, there are occasions when such support isn't readily available. That's where our project Book Recommendation System steps in. Made in Python, if you simply provide it with your area of study or the subject you need help with, and the system will recommend the most suitable and authoritative books to support your learning. Now we will be looking at the flow chart of the system. The system first asks you to provide either the name of the exam you are preparing for or key topics from your syllabus. It then confirms whether your input is an exam name or syllabus topics. Based on your confirmation, the system searches its database to find the most relevant books, retrieves those recommendations, and finally presents the list of books to you. You can always request more recommendations or provide details for another exam or syllabus to continue. Let us move on to the project setup. Here are the installations required for this project. Moving on to the working part. When we run the program, in the output window we acquire a link for the web location where our project has deployed temporarily. After opening the website, a list of suggested books are visible on the landing page. After registering, we can log in to the website with exact username and password. After login, you can explore the suggestions and can search for your subject or field. Additionally, we have added a rating system where you can rate the book suggestion. A book recommendation option is added for recommendations. A logout button is added to enable sign out of the user.